In a quaint village nestled at the edge of the Whispering Woods, there lived a young witch named Willow. Willow had wild, curly hair the colour of autumn leaves and sparkling green eyes that held a mischievous twinkle. She was known for her curious nature and kind heart, always eager to help the villagers with her budding magical abilities. One crisp autumn morning, Willow received an urgent request from the village elder, Grandmother Hazel. Although there were more experienced witches in the area, Grandmother Hazel chose Willow for this task because of her kind heart, curiosity, and deep connection to nature. She believed that Willow's pure intentions and unique potential made her the perfect choice to undertake this delicate mission. The magical barrier protecting the village from the enchanted creatures of the Whispering Woods was weakening. If it broke, the village would be overrun by mischievous sprites and other magical beings who loved to cause trouble. Grandmother Hazel handed Willow an ancient spellbook and a map to the heart of the woods, where a rare ingredient, the Moonflower, bloomed only once every 100 years. Willow's task was to retrieve the Moonflower, to restore the barrier's strength. With determination in her heart and her black cat Shadow by her side, Willow set off into the Whispering Woods. The forest was a maze of twisted trees and shimmering lights, whispering secrets to those who dared to listen. Willow followed the map, using her magic to navigate the tricky paths and avoid the playful sprites. As night fell, Willow finally reached a clearing bathed in silver moonlight. In the center, a single moonflower glowed with an ethereal light. But as she approached, she heard a soft cry. Willow turned to find a small, injured fox lying in the shadows. "Please help me," the fox whimpered. "I was hurt by a hunter's trap and I can't move." Willow was torn. If she stopped to help the fox, she might miss the chance to harvest the moonflower, but she couldn't ignore the creature's plea. Willow knelt beside the fox and used her healing magic to mend its wounds. The fox's eyes sparkled with gratitude. As Willow finished healing the fox, the moonflower began to fade. Her heart sank, thinking she had missed her chance. To her surprise, the fox transformed into a magnificent forest spirit. "Thank you for your kindness, young witch," the spirit said. "I am the guardian of the Whispering Woods. Your selflessness has proven that you are worthy. Take this." The spirit handed Willow a glowing seed. "This is the seed of the Moonflower. Plant it at the edge of your village, and it will bloom every night, strengthening the barrier." Willow returned to the village, where she planted the seed. As promised, the Moonflower bloomed under the moonlight, casting a protective glow over the village. The villagers rejoiced, and Grandmother Hazel praised Willow for her bravery and compassion. The magical barrier was restored, and the village was safe once again. The moral of the story: true magic lies in kindness and selflessness, for it brings about the most powerful and lasting changes. And so Willow's story spread, teaching others the importance of a kind heart,